Started a business about 20 years ago. And just me, a van, and some tools. Drove neighborhoods and just stirred the pot to make something out of nothing. I was going through my emails and I got this email. It said, "Are you too busy to hire? Jump on this webinar." So I signed up for it. I'm like, that sounds like it might be interesting to see what's going on with that. And it talked about this company called Drive. Let's say a Thursday or Friday, I get this phone call and it said, "Hey, we seen you were signed up for a webinar, but you didn't get on the webinar." I said, "I know, I got too busy to get onto it." This gentleman started talking to me about Drive and how Drive basically helps shop owners to understand the behind the scenes of it. You just think some things are too good to be true. I didn't want to believe it. So he was like, "Listen, there's an expo going on in Orlando here in a couple weeks. Why don't you come out and check it out?" So that's actually when I got started with Drive. And Drive's definitely helped me open my eyes over the last 3 years.
The shop owners love to help too. There's just a personality attraction with Drive people where we all just really care about helping. And so we have this thing called the host program, which is helping others succeed today.
Drive came at the right time, and I wanted to go to that next level. And when I say go to that next level, number one was to help people, not just make money, not just run a shop, but give it back to the community.
The kind of stuff that you were just describing is exactly what the host program is about. The thing I love about it is it's really a win-win for everyone.
You just never know what you can do or say to somebody that's out there that will, just help them, that will motivate them to see the bigger picture of life. It's not just about working on cars. It's, let's all succeed in life.